50, crest into a left 4 minus downhill. Watch his hand, but we should be at 10 seconds. Into a left 4 downhill, into a right 4 plus, into a left 3 plus over small crest, right 3 over crest, 50, right 4, into a left 5, tightens the 4, crest 50, right 4, tightens, opens over crest, into a left 5, keep left over crest. Left 5, repeat, keep over crest, 70, kinks, left 3 loose, into a crest, 20, left 5 minus, into a right 4 plus over small crest, 20, left 2, sorry, wimp, into a right 3 long, right 5 into a left, right 5 short, left 5 into a right 4 short, left 4 over crest, 50, left 3, I believe it's our left 3, then we have a right 3, into a left 3, small jump, right 4 plus, into a left 3, into a right 5 short, small crest, into a left 5 plus, small jump 50, right 3, 30, right 5 short, into a left 5 over crest, tightens to 4, into a right 4 over crest, left 5 over crest, right 4 narrows the 4, into a left 4, small crest, into a right 4, caution, left 3 off camber, 50, left 4, right 4, small crest, kinks 100, left 4, small crest into a right 5, into a left 6, small crest, left 6, 50, right 5, small jump, 50, left 5, short into a right 5, long, past junction into a left 4, left 4, we have a right 4, I'm off here, left 4 into a right 5, crest 50, left 6, 60, stay right over jump 20, we have an into a left 6, we have a right 6, this jump, I think it's a jump, what's coming after that? Left 6 into a right 6, crest into a left 4 minus, we're coming up to a right 3, I'm on, right 3 water, into a left 3 water, right 3, into a left 3, left 3 plus, right 3 plus long, 50, crest 70, right 5, 30, left 6, into a right 4 small jump 50, right 3 slippy, right 3 slippy, left 5, into a crest, right 4, 30, small crest 70, left 5 plus short over crest, into a right 4 water. Into left 5, into a right 4 plus, into a right 4, this is a left 4, then we have a left 6, right 5 into, a left 6, right 6 plus, left 5 into a small crest 30, left 5, into a right 5. We have a right 5 coming up. 60, right 6. Right 6, small crest, into a left 4. Left 4. Right 5 minus, 120. Right 4 minus, small jump. And now, right 4 minus, small jump. Left 6. 70, left 4. Crest, 50, left 6. Jump, 30, right 6. 50. Left 5, crest, into a caution, big jump. 100.
Okay, here we go.
Big jump. We're coming into a right 5. And then right 5 into a left 5. Crest, 300, right 4. Left 5. 50. Crest, 20, left 3. Over crest. 50. Right 3 over long. Possible water. Left 3 very long. 70. Right 3 late into a left 4 short. Into a right 5. Into a left 5 minus over crest. Into a right 5. 50. Left 4 plus over crest. Tightens to 4 minus. Into a right 4. Reverse left, right 4, left 5. Next to the left 5, small crest. Into a right 6. Small crest 30, left 4. 50. Right 3 plus into a left 5.
Oh, shit.
Over crest, right 5. Small crest into a left 5, tightens to 3. Left 5, tightens to 3. Crest 30, right 5 plus into a left 5, tightens to 4. Don't cut mud. Into a right 3. Right 3, over crest. Left 4. Right 4 plus into a left 3. Go, 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 go. Left 3. Into a right 4. Why did he stay there? Right 4. 20. Right 5 minus. The left 3. This is our left 3. Into a right 3. Crest 70. Crest 100. We have a left 3 after the 100. 30. Turn left 2. Crest. Spectators. Left 2. Left 2. We have a left 4, 120. Right 4 minus over crest into a left 6. Into a right 4 minus. Left 4 into a long crest. Left 4, 30. Right 4 minus, crest long into. There we have 50, right 5. Crest 50, left 3. Right 5, this is our left 3. Sorry. Right 5. Small crest, left 5 long over crest, 50. Left 5. Into a right 4 minus, small crest. Sorry, left 5, right 4 into a left 5. 30, left 4. Right 4. 30, right 4. Left 4. This is our right 4. Left 4. 30, left 6. Right 6 long into a left 4 minus. Right 5 into a small jump 30, left 4. Into a right 5. Tightens. Right 5 tightens. Crest 70. small crest 50, right 4. 50, left 3. Left 5 into a crest, into right 4. 70. So I'm off left 4, right 4, small crest. We have a right 5. I'm off here, into a left 5. Crest. Crest. Into right 5, plus, into a left 5. And we're going into a right 5, plus. Right 5, small crest. Caution, keep right over crest 40, right 5. Into a left 3. I'm 100% on. Right 5, small crest, tightens to 4. Left 4. Into crest. Right 5. 120. Caution over, finish. Right 3, late. Good job, Wim.